You may have heard the phrase digital divide somewhere before, but what is the digital divide? What does it mean to us? The digital divide is a variety of barriers that can make access to technology more difficult for some folks than others. Different reasons could include the costs of owning a computer or other device, different levels of digital literacy, cost of internet, and more. As we've seen, access to computer technology is more and more important to our society. In 2020, so many of our daily activities were moved online, yet some people lost out on these activities due to the digital divide. As we move forward, ask yourself, how can I help? Talk to your tech department about donating your company's used computer technology to the BC Technology for Learning Society. We refurbish used tech and redistribute it to those in need. By providing access for all to computer technology, we are ensuring that no one gets left behind.
Mobile ownership, that's at 72%, and 52%, we're talking 2023, and juxtaposing that with 2018. Internet access, that's 26%, juxtaposed with 10%. That's very much still in the country. Now, mobile phone ownership, that's 84% in urban areas and 67% in rural areas. The difference between urban and rural is not that much. That's impressive to see. Now, internet access, now that difference between rural and urban is very huge. Internet access is 48%, and that is urban, and 17% rural. I'm very sure that the Honorable Christopher Munsi will do something about that particular graph there. Now, mobile phone ownership, 80% male and 64% female. When you see what is going on social media, you'd think that it is the other way around. But CBI is out here is also very surprised that there are more phones with men than there are with women. Now, the women have intention of catching up. It's about 20%. I think the real figure is 16% difference. Now, internet access, 34% male and 18% female. You can see that both men and women do not have a lot of access to internet in Uganda.
The digital divide exacerbates economic and social inequalities. Think about it. In today's digital age, those without access to technology are left behind in areas like education, healthcare, and employment opportunities. It's like fighting a boxing match with one hand tied behind your back. For instance, the COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the digital divide in education as schools moved online. Students without reliable internet access or devices faced significant hurdles in their learning. Similarly, in healthcare, telemedicine has seen a boom, but again, if you don't have good internet, accessing these services becomes difficult. Finally, consider the job market. More and more jobs require digital skills or access to technology. Without that, individuals are severely limited in the jobs they can apply for. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are solutions out there, and they're gaining traction. Governments, NGOs, and even some tech companies are making strides to bridge this divide. From providing affordable or free internet access in underserved areas, to donating devices to those in need, to offering digital literacy training, there are many ways to combat the digital divide. It's a big challenge, but as the saying goes, many hands make light work. The digital divide is a complex issue with no one-size-fits-all solution. It will require cooperation between public and private sectors, innovative solutions, and a commitment to digital inclusion for all.
Our world is becoming increasingly digital. The internet connects us to valuable resources, services, and learning opportunities. However, not everyone has access to the internet or the technologies, tools, and skills needed to interact in the digital world. The digital divide is the gap between those who have access to technology, the internet, and digital literacy training, and those who do not. This gap affects communities of all sizes, a variety of industries and sectors, and individuals of all generations. Digital inclusion is a way to close the digital divide. It involves ensuring all individuals and communities have access to and the ability to use information and communication technologies. This can be achieved through planning and partnership activities that provide for affordable broadband internet service, internet-enabled devices, access to digital literacy training, and quality technical support. Digital inclusion matters because it means more school children will have the internet access they need to do their homework. It means more small and home-based business owners will be able to compete in the digital economy. It means more patients, especially those in remote rural areas, will be able to connect to quality, cost-effective healthcare services. It also means that more residents will be able to access local government services and participate in community activities online. Central Iowa Regional Council is helping to advance digital inclusion in our region by assisting county governments in identifying their community's unique broadband and technology needs. With this information, we'll help to develop strategies to meet those needs through existing assets, new partnerships, and new resources. The goal of this initiative is to not only increase access to the internet, but to support the development of skills necessary to access the internet to its full potential. Increased internet access and digital literacy skills make it possible for more individuals to participate in the digital economy, which enhances overall economic vitality and quality of life within our region.